Hello guys, to another video. I made a video yesterday, I made today again. And why? Because I'm with a winning streak. This month is going very well, and I'm just one trade to pass the phase 1 of the new account I bought. Okay, to test the change from 2R to 1R. So let's see if tomorrow I can pass this phase 1 of this new account I have for 1R. And yeah guys, so I'm with the 3 winning streaks today. As you can see, I post on my X. You can check my and follow to I post there every single day my trades, my ideas, etc. So it's good to follow this one. Okay, all makes. So yeah, the trade was very simple today. As you can see here, we had like Trump talking today and FOMC. So when you have FOMC, we can expect fresh price action before the New York Indies Open. So today I expected like a trash price action, but for me at least gave a nice setup today. So yeah, as you can see, it's always the same thing: break, retest, entry, done every single day. And I'm with the 3 winning streaks. Okay, as you can see, 8 wins, 3 losses, 10% gain, 73 win rate. Okay, so let's break down the trade today. This will be a quick video for you guys, not yeah. So when I reached the chart, I was in this candle here, so I marked this zone as my 4-hour support resistance. I marked this zone here as another level. Okay, zone, and I marked another one right here. Okay, so I had these levels here, and I marked this one basically. Okay, so if you want, you just mark 2 or 3, you are fine. Okay, so yeah, 5 minutes. What I have here, for buys, I had this idea, and for sells, I had this idea. And what price decided to do? So you see a big consolidation here, and was expected for FOMC day. So was normal for me. But when I see price rejected this zone and rejected this zone, I was like, maybe price will struggle a lot inside this small range. And this is a 4-hour zone. You can see price inside this zone is like going up, going down, going up, going down. Okay, so what price decided to do was break below the 4-hour level, and I had here my 5 minutes level for the retest. Okay, I always look for a zone at the bottom of the zone for sales. For when price break and retest, I have like a zone to enter. Okay, so yeah, here we can see price struggle a lot to break below this zone, but finally I had like a closure below the zone, and 25 pips SL, 25 TP. As you can see, the price triggered my trade with a huge candle bullish against me, and I was maybe this going fly to my SL, but next candle just opened like with so small wick, and boom, next candle, the 3. I expect always at 3 p.m. my time, so 10 a.m. New York time, a huge volume candle, and as you can see here, is brutal candle every day. And yeah, this day price just created a top wick and boom to my TP. So was a nice entry, moving average above, 4-hour above, SL covered like above the 4-hour zone, And yeah, a normal price action. As you can see here, look at price, how price react for the 4-hour zones. Yeah, this is why I marked these zones. If you just trade 5 minutes alone, it will be a struggle. This is what I did before and was a big struggle. Now with the 4-hour zones, look at this, you know where you can buy, where you can sell. So yeah, you see, price came from the 4-hour to the 4-hour, near to the 4-hour, and next price react here many times, break, retest the 4-hour again, go to the next 4-hour, and what price did it again? To the next 4 hours. So these 4 hours are key for this strategy. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Is always the same, is a quick breakdown, and yeah guys, I expect to maybe pass the phase 1 of the new account. I'm with the 100% win rate. If I pass, tomorrow I do a video like break down the trades, etc. So basically was these three trades, and tomorrow I don't need like a full 1 hour. I just need like let me see, half 0.5 0.6 to pass the challenge. So can be so quickly, or will be a hand of the winning streak. Let's see, but I will not notice, guys. So yeah, quick entry, quick TP as always. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, please, guys. These motivate me to bring more information for you. Don't forget to subscribe my X too. Okay, and yeah guys, I will update you.